Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and last week we cooked up some guacamole and it was a smashing success. Well, we're not done with it yet, because this week we're cooking up some guacadillas. Let's dive in. Take out 2 flour tortillas and bust out our guac. I'm using the guacamole we made last week, link in the description. Place a large glob of guac onto our tortilla and start spreading it to the edges. Now add on some shredded carrots. This will add some nice sweetness and texture to the dish. Pour some of your favorite taco sauce over the whole thing and place the other tortilla on top. Bust out a pan and spray it down with some nonstick spray. Turn the heat to high and after 1 to 2 minutes, add the tortilla. Cook on the first side for about 2 minutes and feel free to give a little peek before flipping it over. We want it to have a nice golden brown freckling. Now cook up the other side the same way. Both sides of this are looking gorgeous, so let's cut it up and plate this dish. Oh, I already know this is going to be delicious. This is such a quick and easy recipe to make. Not only is our guac super delicious, but our carrots really do a lot when it comes to adding texture and flavor. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite recipes in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Place a large glob of guac onto our tortilla and start spreading it. Glob of guac is hard to say. Okay.